Oh my God. We're going, we're packed. Kilimanjaro, baby.
So we've just arrived in the Premier Inn. Kieran has just gone back to the car to get something. Here he is. Yeah, boy.
Good, you're upside. Get it to the front.
Hello. Jeepers creepers.
Did you see your sister there?
Brilliant. Thank you.
Well done.
Crazy.
But when you're up here,
All set up in Camp 1.
So this is day 1 at Big Tree Camp,
Makubu, something like that.
Makubu
I
Camp.
don't freaking know.
Yeah, I feel really good today. What about you?
Good, happy.
Nice.
Colder than I thought it would be. Outside, the
Yeah.
temperature.
I'm pretty warm now in here. Nice and cozy.
Misty all day. No views other than rainforest, but it was great when there. It was really good.
But no headaches.
Nothing.
We've drank 3.5 litres of water today.
Mm-hmm.
So that's really good, so we need to keep that up now. Bit of a struggle this morning because we had a 3-hour bus journey, so
It was uncomfortable because we sat over
yeah.
the tyre well.
And I
But
think
we
with the diamox, that makes you pee as well, so we'll probably get up at like
God knows what
2
time.
times a night. But yeah, really good. Still feel overwhelmed being here. Just can't believe we're doing it. But yeah, right now I'm really warm, so I'm happy.
Happy days.
So good night from us, and we'll see you tomorrow.
When you are in this life and it's fell in the mountain, you need to be happy all the time.
Up on day 2. I was up a little bit during the night.
Oh my god, look at me. Yeah, literally just got up, so this is why I look like this. Yeah, really good. It was really warm. I had to get for a pee once. But yeah, all good.
But both feeling good. So I'll speak to everyone later on.
Jumbo.
Alright, somebody's got to carry me up this ridge. Get a workout in!
We got it, we got it.
We just have another 6 hours to go.
This is day 2. 900 meters elevation gain. I've been trekking for about 5 hours and I just caught my first glimpse of Kilimanjaro. Oh my god. So this is the first time since we've been in Tanzania that we've seen the mountain. Oh my word.
Oh, happy days, I got the Welsh buddies.
We look so close, but so far.
Up there, wasn't it?
Hello everyone!
Na unywe maji mengi,
Hakuna matata,
asije ukakata,
hakuna matata,
auje mdo mdo,
hakuna matata.
sogea kwa hapa.
There she is, boys.
Look at that!
Yeah. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Happy?
Oh, I'm delighted.
Happy?
Now we're here, I'm like, damn! And now I look there, I'm like,
He got my coffee. He got my coffee. I can't even do. I'm the one. He's on me one.
So we forgot to do an update last night when we were at Camp 2. We were literally so tired. So we had 900 meters of elevation gain yesterday. It was a long one. It was very hilly. It was 11k, so it was very steep. So we were very tired yesterday night. It was very dusty at camp as well. Like our hands are stinking.
Everything's
So whether you can see them, but our hands are literally dirty. I found that a bit challenging yesterday. It was alright, but it was very tough. So today now we've arrived at Camp 3.
Shira 2.
Definitely noticed the difference with the altitude. I've not got a headache or I'm not sick, just when you breathe in. It's a lot tighter.
Well, it's just you need a lot more breath
Yeah.
to catch up.
Yeah, so we're at 3,850 meters. So we're going to do another elevation climb tonight, which is another 200 meters. But that's 30 minutes over, 30 minutes down, so that's only an hour. I'm not looking forward to that,
Yeah, we are.
because I think I'm going to struggle.
No, we're not.
But the last two camps is very dusty. We go for food, we wash our hands, and then our hands are just dirty again. So it's disgusting. The next couple of days now are going to be challenging.
But that's what we come here for.
Yeah, that's what we come here for. And how are you feeling, Key?
Happy? All good, feeding as well. I absolutely love the sight of the mountain and the sight of Kilimanjaro itself. Uhuru.
Yeah, today
on
was...
the walk, it was all moorlands. We stayed at Kilimanjaro all day walking, which was really nice. Yeah, it was good today, wasn't it? Tomorrow's going to be a mix. It's going to be elevation gain and flat land, so it's going to be challenging, but not as bad as the second day. So happy days.
Air, I can't even think of words.
I can see myself.
You're down.
How you doing? You feeling okay? Yeah. Tough one, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I could be brown, I could be blue, I could be violet sky, I could be purple, I could be purple, I could be anything you like. Gotta be me, gotta be green, gotta be everything.
That's tomorrow's challenge. Yes. Blah. There's a bit of that.
If you need me, call me. No matter where you are, no matter how far. Don't worry, baby, just call my name. I'll be there in a hurry. You don't have to worry, 'cause baby, there ain't no mountain high enough. Ain't no valley low enough. Ain't no river wide enough to keep me from getting to you, baby. Loving the colors we can see.
Yeah. Fair to say, Jeffrey, I got some cracking shots of your ass.
Yes, horse.
There's a camera here.
Say like an elevator.
To the top.
It is our summit night and we need to get up at 11 tonight and then start climbing for 12. I'm a little bit anxious, I'm not gonna lie. On one of the days I did struggle really bad. I found it really hard. I just want to say to Kieran that I just want to thank you for pushing me, believing in me. I'm really excited to do this with you, Kieran. Get in position, guys.
Shift it for a wee bit. Look at me. Lovely.
Oh, thank you. amba Kilimanjaro, amba urupiki, amba Mola jaliwe, twaomba wafike salama, Mola jaliwe, twaomba wafike salama, omu Europe, amba Tanzania, amba Kilimanjaro.
Jambo.
Jambo. Adventure. Non-stop. To the top. Again. Jambo bwana, habari gani? Nzuri sana. Wageni wakaribishwa Kilimanjaro, hakuna matata. Jambo bwana, habari gani? Nzuri sana. Wageni wakaribishwa Kilimanjaro, hakuna matata. 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 Jambo bwana, habari gani? Nzuri sana. Wageni wakaribishwa Kilimanjaro, hakuna matata. Hakuna matata. Hakuna matata. Hakuna matata. Hakuna matata. Hakuna matata.